Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove glass from side mirrors. Just follow these steps. Okay, so first thing we are about to do is to flip down or tilt down the side mirror, just like this. For this procedure you can use a knife or screwdriver. I will use a Swiss knife as an example. So put a knife or screwdriver or anything you have inside and pull it towards you gently. It will click off. So you can pull this thing out. There are two connections. If you want to replace the glass, just unconnect it, put the new one. That's basically it. To get things back together, just do like this until it clicks. And you are done.